How to fix Google verification code not received on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google verification code not received on iPhone. So let's get started. So whether you're not receiving the verification code on your SMS or your email, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. First thing that you need to do is head over to your phone settings application and then simply turn on the airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. After that, you're going to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, or you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi, wait for a few seconds and turn it on again. If that doesn't solve your problem, you can go back and simply open your mobile service, turn it on and make sure that data roaming is turned on. If that doesn't solve your issue again, you can simply head over and go to the application of Gmail and then click on these three horizontal lines at the top left. After that, you can scroll down, click on spam, because sometimes the emails that you receive are in the spam folder. You'll be able to see the verification email over here. However, if you're not able to find that email still and everything else is correct, you can go to settings again, scroll all the way to the bottom, click on apps, and over here you're going to search for the app of Mail. Type in Mail, click on Mail over here, and here you can simply click on add account and add your Google account again. If you have any Google account over here already, you can simply delete that account and add your account again over here. Click on Google, simply type in your Google credentials, and once done, you'll be able to see that you will receive the code on your email or your SMS. So that is basically how you can fix Google verification code not received on iPhone. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.